A lot of you have been asking about scripts on a lot of different scenarios, but the biggest one is buyer conversion. And what we've found with the changing market and buyers wanting more instant answers, we've shortened our process in the conversion script from LP Mama, which has always been a process of asking questions. And the questions are location, price, motivation, agent, mortgage, and then set the appointment. So LP Mama, and we've shortened it to LMA. So buyers seem to be in such a big hurry, and again, all they're wanting is the information that they need. We have to set the appointment faster. So we focus on location and motivation, and then we set the appointment. So that sounds like this. If a buyer calls in and calls about a property, we say, thanks for calling on that. Let us pull that up real quick. That was in the Midtown area. Is that the area you want? Fantastic. Yeah, it's a great area. And actually, why are you thinking about moving? While I'm pulling this up, what's motivating you to move? And then as you get the information up, you say, okay, that is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, $200,000 house. Let's get you in it. Would you like to see it? I've got an opening today or tomorrow. And the reason we do that is when we get face-to-face, that's when we can build a rapport. It's much easier than being on the phone. The other scenario is if at that point that is not a good match, you can say, okay, and dig a little deeper and say, all right, tell me what you are looking for. What price range are you looking for? Bedrooms and baths. But we got them information quickly. They're more likely to have a conversation with them. But if the property is a match, get them in there and make that connection, and then schedule your buyer orientation and show them the value of what an expert agent can do for them. Paul Wheeler, Servant Heart Selling. Let's put the service back in selling.